Hello guys, good evening. How is your day today? I hope you'll be able to spend time with your family because today is a family day. Me, I'll just relax today. I'll just went to go walking in the beach, Venice Beach a while ago. Because on Tuesday, I have training again. My training will be 24 hours so that I can finish my training end of this month or by next month, October. If I cannot finish my training this month, October, I need to finish till end of October. Good evening everyone. Have a good night's sleep and see you tomorrow. Sweet dreams everyone. Bye. I love you all. Bye bye. Bye bye.